Hi friends, here we are back in the studio. I am prepping another Nebula. So the way this works is the base is a 12-inch paver and the motor has to get attached to the base. Some of these pavers are very smooth on both sides, some aren't. This one here I want to keep a bit of a texture and not use the underside. So what I've done was I've created a new type of guide. So I 3D printed this centering device. It'll give me a very accurate position for the plate that the motor will be taped to. The motor gets actually taped to the system, so it kills a bit of the vibrations, and if you have to remove it for servicing, it's very easy. So there's a centering device. I'm going to add a little bit of epoxy to it. No matter what you do, you always get some epoxy in your fingers. It's kind of the way it works. But remember, don't do it. It'll kill you, it'll launch missiles in Cuba and all kinds of stuff. So just get it nicely spread out there. Don't have to go too crazy on this. And you want a bit of a texture here because the concrete's quite uneven. So I'll get that in there. And once you got that all done, just take that and make sure Mr. Epoxy doesn't go everywhere. I'm going to grab this guy and we're going to drop him right in there. And I checked previously, the framework is pretty balanced. So this is pretty accurate in terms of getting it level. I might have to do a bit of fine tuning later with the feet, but that's okay since it's a modular system, it won't be too bad. And there you go. So you got the paver, you got the centering device, and you got the motor mount. The actual turntable should be ready in a couple days, and I will be doing a proper full video discussing the Nebula direct drive turntable. Thanks guys. See you soon.